At P2 Automation, our customers are always asking us for faster ways to get their job done. Even for something as simple as entering a business card or a new lead, if we can shave a few seconds or a few minutes off their day, that's just more time that's available for sales. One of the solutions we came up with to make things go faster is quick leads. If you need to enter a new lead into a CRMPlus365, it's pretty simple. You go into the organization screen, create the new company, save it, and then add the contact. But it is multiple steps, and some information is duplicated, such as the phone number, which may go on the company and the contact, and the address. We found a way to do it with one simple screen, Quick Leads. To enter a new lead, simply click on the Quick Leads link on the navigation pane, and then click New. Enter all the information for your lead, usually from a business card or an email, and then simply click the Convert button. This process converts your quick lead into a prospect and a contact in one step. You have to save if it's a new record, and then the system brings you right to that prospect. Notice all the information comes over as you type it on the quick lead, and the contact record is created as well. In the next video, we'll show you how to import multiple names from an Excel file or a CSV file, and how we can convert all those names to customers and contacts with one click. If you'd like more information about how we can speed up your processes, reach out to us at www.p2automation.com.